Good morning. After enormous planning and continuous effort, I, on the behalf of the Pentecostal Assembly School, bring to you the revolutionary self-watering plant system. This project basically revolves around environmental sciences and particularly agricultural science. This is designed to create a helping hand for farmers. This saves water, saves energy. Also, its truly automatic feature saves lots of time. Let's know how it exactly works directly from the developers. So basically, its working can be divided into three parts, whereas the first one, water generation from the atmosphere, the second one, which is a storage system which refills itself automatically, and the third one, a drip irrigation system to save water. Let's know more from the team.
So as you all already know that our project comprises of three main parts. Let us know about the material that we have used for making each part.
Part 1 Water generation system, suction pump, coiled copper tube inside, penetrial module, heat sink attached with penetrial module, primary storage. Part 2 Storage system, water level detector, any storage tank, drip irrigation system, plant.
Good morning. So as we have seen that the self-watering plant system comprises of three basic parts: water formation, water storage and water distribution. So now let's look at each part separately and understand its working principles. When this power source is turned on, this fan here sucks in air from the atmosphere into this cooling module, which has this outlet pipe that leads to the storage tank. When the Peltier module cools the copper tube, the water vapor condenses and forms liquid water. The outlet pipe comes to the storage tank, as you can see here. This tank has this float switch that automatically switches off the circuit depending on the water level. This water from here now goes to the plants and nourishes them.